What's going on, guys? We are going to do a flight test now just to see how long these drones, including the Mavic Mini, how long they're going to stay up in the air during a hover. Now, of course, when they are rating these as far as flight time goes, right now the Mavic Mini is rated for 30 minutes. We have the Mavic Air. I also have the Mavic Pro and the Mavic 2 Pro. A lot of drones here that we need to get up in the air to see how long they last. Everything has been fully charged last night. Now, when it comes down to flight testing or flight time, of course, everything is going to be based on some of the factors. How hard are you flying? How much wind is in the air? All those things are going to play a role on how long your drone is going to stay in the air. So right now there's not much wind at all, just a little bit of wind. Just to do a standard flight hover test, see how long they last and compare them to one another. Let's get them up in the air. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Aldrin Anastacio. I do a lot of drone tech tips, tutorials, and product reviews right here on this channel. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing and also hitting that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Now, I'm not actually able to do all of them at once because I only have a couple devices and they're gonna need a device to fly. So I'm gonna use my phone for the DJI Mavic Mini, an iPad for the Mavic Air, and then I have the smart controller for the Mavic 2 Pro. I'll do another one with the Mavic Air as well as the DJI Spark. So just a little bit more, a lot more work, but we'll see how this goes. All right, we're connected there, we're connected there, connected there. And here is my view for all of them. We have the Mavic Air, we have the Mini, and then we also have the Mavic 2 Pro. As far as battery life goes, before takeoff, Mavic Air has 95, Mavic Mini has 98%, Mavic 2 Pro has 97%. Just a normal thing. You normally don't get like a perfect 100%. Right when you start it up, it already takes it down a percent or two. All right, let's do auto takeoff on all three of them. Set this timer and see how well these three do. Here we go. Here we go. All three of them are up. All right, so here it is. We have the DJI Mavic Mini right here in the middle. We have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and we have the Mavic Air right here on this side. These are all on hover. Not that much wind, just a little bit of wind, but rock solid. So right now, 5 minutes in, the Mavic Air is at 66%, the Mavic Mini is at 80%, and the Mavic 2 Pro is at 76%. All right, so right now we're 10 minutes in, and the Mavic Air is at 39%, Mavic Mini is at 64%, and the Mavic 2 Pro is at 57%. Now, the one that's interesting about the Mavic Mini is the fact that I don't see anything in the app itself that shows when you want to have the emergency battery indicator turn on, and also auto land. A little bit different than what we've seen in the application for the other drones. We're at 15 minutes now. The Mavic Air is going off as far as being battery indicator low at 15 minutes. It's also at 15%. The Mavic Mini is at 47%, and the Mavic 2 Pro is at 38%. The Mavic Air, 7% battery life. It goes into landing mode, or pretty much beeps until it has to go down. And right now, at that 16-minute mark, we are still at 43% on the Mavic Mini, and the Mavic 2 Pro at 33%. So the flight time on this thing is still going. There you go, that's going down. Okay, so 22 minutes. The Mavic 2 Pro goes down. The Mavic Air only lasted 16 minutes. And we are looking now at 20% left at 23 minutes. So I'm gonna deny that because I wanted to get about 10%, just like the other ones did. We're at 24 minutes right now. 24 minutes, we're at 14%. Okay, we're at 27 minutes at 5%. And for safety reasons, let's bring it back in. 27 minutes. 27 minutes. 27 minutes, dude, for this guy right here. 27 minutes. So I'm gonna have to do a separate test. I gotta charge everything back up, including this camera right here. I gotta charge this back up, mainly because I'm shooting all these things nonstop. So let's charge up this iPad, let's charge up the camera, my phone, get another test with the Mavic Platinum as well as the DJI Spark. And up next we have the Mavic Pro Platinum. This one I've actually had for a little while now, so let's see how this one does compared to all the other ones. So let's get this thing up in the air. We are going to start the clock now, take off and take off. There you go. We'll leave it at hover. I have my timer going on, and let's see how long this one goes for. At 78%, 4 minutes in. Now, one of the things with the Platinum is the high efficiency props. We'll see how long that will help out. It's mainly because of OcuSync, as well as, the camera itself is really, really good. And of course, the quiet props are always a plus. 57%, we're coming up almost on 10 minutes. So about 55%, 10 minutes. Okay, we're at 10%, critically low. Aircraft has descended to 2 meters and will continue landing. 21 minutes, 16 seconds at 8%. 21:16 at 8% left. Full battery, we are at 98% up in the air. Whew. Here we go. Okay, so we are at 73%, 4 minutes. %, it's gonna go into landing mode. I'm gonna cancel that. I'm gonna wait until it gets about 10. We are 11%, we're at 10%, we're going down. There you go, critically low, it's coming down. I'll just let it go by itself. 12:33 at 7%. DJI Spark, still kicking, still doing good. And here's the results from my flight time comparison with these drones. We have the Mavic Mini coming in at a whopping 27 minutes. The Mavic 2 Pro coming in at 22 minutes. Right behind that, we have the Mavic Pro Platinum at 21 minutes. The Mavic Air came in at 16 minutes. And the DJI Spark at 12.5 minutes flight time. And if you guys are looking for more videos, make sure you guys check out my DJI Mavic Mini playlist. I have a bunch of videos in there that talk about the DJI Fly app, as well as some tips and tricks, and also the top 25 things you should know before you purchase a DJI Mavic Mini. As always, guys, if you guys got some value from my video, a big like would be much appreciated. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. This is Ultra Anastasio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.